Hi, I'm Dr. Pramod Chinder, orthopedic oncosurgeon, director and head of Department of Orthopedic Oncology, HCG, India. So, welcome to the fellowship program of orthopedic oncology. This is the 8th fellowship program. We have been training fellows from across India. All of them have successfully established their practice accordingly. So, to give a brief about our organization, HCG is more than 30-year-old organization which is only focused on oncology. So, we have developed multi-speciality in oncology. So, at HCG, we have all the practices of surgical, medical and radiation oncology, including advanced genomics, robotics and cyberknife, all possible under one roof. That's the advantage we all have at HCG. The Department of Orthopedic Oncology started in 2010. Since then, we have treated more than 6,000 bone tumors, both benign and malignant. Work mainly composes of sarcomas, essentially osteosarcoma, Ewing sarcoma, chondrosarcoma, and benign as in giant cell tumors and other benign tumors as well. Experience of more than 6,000 bone tumors, what we have got so far. We have published more than 15 to 20 publications from the department. We would strongly encourage the fellows to have at least 3 to 4 papers by the end of their fellowship program. So at HCG, we would seek to join, we take the fellows mainly who are focused on long term, academically oriented, people who would love to take on the challenges of oncology. Essentially, orthopedic oncology is a combined knowledge of surgical oncology, microsurgery, arthroplasty. So these are and trauma. So if you guys are totally keen on taking up this profession as a long-term practice at your house, at your back hometown, it's worth choosing it, and definitely there is a lot of scope for it. That is evidenced by the last fellows who have been here. So it will be very useful to consider seriously with those candidates only. We would not encourage people who will come as a part of one more training which can they go back and do the regular orthopedics, because orthopedic oncology needs at least 5 years of their lifetime work to get into a good practice. So we seek the fellows to consider very seriously. We would love to encourage to take the problem head on and solve them and close it. So that is the attitude we would like. So we have 25 centers all over India. The main work will be in Bangalore, and with allied 25 centers across India, you will be posted and you will be learning from across the country.
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Suraj. I'm an orthopedic oncosurgeon from the Department of Musculoskeletal Oncology at HCG Hospitals, Bangalore. So Dr. Pramod must have already told you regarding the department and how we are set up and all those things. So basically, I would like to brief you regarding the course. So first of all, why we are having this video is we have received a lot of applications this time, and we are not able to hold a formal entrance exam because of the ongoing pandemic. So we would like to have 2 rounds of interview for the interested candidates and then decide upon who is selected. But before that, like Dr. Pramod mentioned, we would like to have someone who is really interested in orthopedic oncology, who would like to pursue this as a career option in the future, and who likes to practice orthopedic oncology in the long term, not only during the fellowship, but maybe even after they have finished their course. So basically, we are looking at candidates who are in orthopedic oncology in the long run. Prior exposure to orthopedic oncology is not an absolute necessity, and age is also not a prerequisite process of selection of the fellowship candidates. We basically just want people who are eager to learn and who are eager to invest time and energy in orthopedic oncology. So briefly regarding the course, it would be an 18-month program, because we have got the accreditation from the university, Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences. So this time it will be an 18-month course, and so the selection would be based on 2 rounds of interview. The first round of interview will be held maybe sometime in the last week of this month, that is August, and the second and the final round of interview will be held in the first week of September. The dates will be announced soon. So that is regarding the selection process. Regarding the course per se, like I said, it is 18 months and stipend is provided. As of now, 60,000 rupees per month is provided as a stipend. No accommodation is provided. Why I am briefing you regarding the courses, along with the application, most of them wanted a brief overview of the course. They had all these doubts, so I'm trying to cover all those things in this video. No accommodation will be provided, and this would be more like something similar to your post-graduation itself, because you will have a lot of clinical as well as research activities to be performed during your fellowship course. Apart from the HCG work, we also have a few outreach clinics like the Ramaya Medical College, for example, where we involved in teaching, research and also clinical activities. So the fellows are also expected expected to participate in these outreach clinics. You will be having a thesis which needs to be submitted to the university by the end of your course, and you will also have a formal exit exam which will have both theory and practicals. So you will have an exit exam and thesis as well. During your course, apart from the clinical activities, you are expected to publish at least 2 papers. Apart from your thesis topic, at least 2 papers needs to be published, more the merrier. And you are expected to present in both local and international orthopedic oncology conferences which will be held during your course year. So we stress a lot on research activities, so that is definitely a prerequisite before you join. You should be interested or at least eager to take part in these research activities like publications, collating data, writing papers, presenting in local and international conferences and meetings. So we take academic activities on par with clinical activities. So this is briefly regarding the course, and my sincere request is I would ask people who are really interested in orthopedic oncology to come for the interview, not only because you feel the other fields are maybe saturated or like the chances are less. You should really find orthopedic oncology as a good career option and willing to invest time in the course. So I kindly request only these people who are basically really interested to come in for the interview. So looking forward to meeting you all during the interview. Thank you.